guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. I look very different today as you can tell. Today's video we're going to be doing a very natural glowy makeup, my kind of natural everyday makeup look, and as well as a really quick tutorial to turn your blonde to brown. Make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up, and to follow all my social media, it will be in the description box as well as at the end of this video and as well as up in the top. Where you're gonna get started to make sure that I don't talk a lot and this is a quick tutorial. So right now I have no makeup on. I have slicked my hair back on. I have already put some Vaseline on my dry lips. Recently I went and got a new Cover FX foundation, which if you guys haven't watched my last review, you guys know that I was obsessed with this foundation. But I got it in the lighter shade, which was supposed to be my summer shade. This one is very, very light. I kind of need like a mix of the two. This looks like this matches a little better. So now I'm gonna take my, oh my God. Okay, now I'm gonna take my my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer right here. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. This is from e.l.f. It's kind of really still wet. When in doubt, just squeeze it out. And then I'm just gonna blend it just softly. I'm gonna blend this out. There we go. Egghead. This is the same contour I have used in almost all of my makeup routines. This is the one from Walmart. It snaps, you guys. I love a strong contour, especially with like very sleek looks. You really want that nice and chiseled, like you just got sucked in look. And then the way I always like to make sure that it looks really, really chiseled, I take the darkest color again. I kind of point my brush like this and I get it right at the back so it looks really, really dark right there. And then I take my beauty blender and I just wipe under. This still kind of has concealer on it anyway. So I'm gonna do my blush. This is from Tarte. It is the Feisty blush. I got this in a beauty box and it has lasted me like 2 years already. Smile. There we go. So now I'm gonna go through and do my eyebrows. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I was using this Maybelline Brow Precise, which this one is amazing because it's very waxy and it's soft, and I like how it really just makes it look very natural. But unfortunately I didn't bring a sharpener, so I can't use that one. I brushed them out just a little bit just to kind of get rid of the bulkiness and the lines and everything. I brushed them up. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This is black liquid eyeliner. I'm pretty sure it's from the dollar store and it does not come off. And I'm just gonna do my basic little wing. Now we're gonna do mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies Black is Black. All we have left is the lips. The lipstick that I use, this is a new one that I found, but this is the L'Oreal Color Riche 804. He thinks he's macho. To me, it is the perfect tone. And it stays on when I mean forever, literally forever. And it is non-drying, like it literally moisturizes your lips. I absolutely love it. I'm going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And then I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. We are gonna move on to the hair. I'm going for a dark look today, kind of just because this is going to be my last chance to do it since I'm going to get my roots done tomorrow. I got this ponytail from Amazon. It is from the company Vivica of Fox. I will leave the link in the description box below for sure. Take this little thing right here. That would always be, a smart idea. Drawstring your ponytail up. Let's take a single piece like this and wrap it around. I do have a little bit of some blonde showing. I like the texture of this hair. It is like a yaki texture. It is a very, very long ponytail. Like I will get up and show you guys. It's very long, down to my butt. So I'm gonna do my edges really quickly. I'm gonna take a little bit of conditioner, take my toothbrush. I will hairspray it down. And And that is it, you guys. I found a hack that my dad showed me. If you don't want to go and get like the spray thing, you could just use black mascara, which is what we use to cover all of my blonde. You could even braid it up if you wanted to. I actually really love dark hair, like dark long hair. I think it looks really pretty. Super cute, super quick, easy hairstyle. Takes literally like less than 5 minutes. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as follow all my social media. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.